is the Haitian Empress. So, moi montre quelques vidéos avec photo qui en place d'aller like on va dire qui place but après une fin de vidéo si on place ça il n'a figure place ça il n'a pas figure après figure les vidéos là pour qui place qui côté là it was beautiful like get more different parties so moi dans partie de en dehors tout like more different gens like different côté like moi aimer ça because m'a jamais whenever like les quitter pays I'm toujours aller the nice hotel whatever m'a jamais rester dehors so I get to na ville là fois ça and I enjoy it like I have different feeling I feel like it's cool to live en variety like you know I know that's what I got for Mali and dehors so m'parler trop so go enjoy guys see places like you guys see that's nice places you can go visit la so enjoy some pictures and video okay like share. Regardez, like, share, comment. Nous connaissons. Okay, bye guys. Enjoy. That's exactly how a vacation started. Nous sommes à l'aéroport là, straight to the club. Wicked. Salsa. The same clothes on. Just stop now? Stop now? The video was long, so I had to cut it. That's me. Me again taking this shit. Every time I see Heidi, I'm gonna take a picture. Me. Beautiful. Got me. That's us. Uh-oh. And I got some massage. And guess what, Timoun? Haïtien fiaté so but mais pas un problème n'a pas laver bien. Il fait massage like tout corps il fait dans dôme, tête moi. Like il m'a une tête beaucoup j'aime non moi. Fait massage dans tête pour moi. She was so good. Look at ouais, je me fais mais. Dis-moi je me fais mon well t'es bon. Moi j'ai retiré bonnet pour faire le pipi. Oh. Yeah. Ou connaît pour les femmes c'est ça chaque le aller chaque le me conduire toujours juste derrière pas jamais conduire monter pas me conduire me fois ça me c'est it was so nice like I enjoy it I like it so now next time I conduire manaba de manaba ça look at the place you that's the hotel we staying look at the view yo it was amazing look at what they put in the bin. Nice, I'm relaxing. They have a cousin of them. Padon. That's me with Doka. So we get to see the sun. You know, to put in basic on could I find in you everything that I need? Look at nice view. Got us by having Budawi. This nice picture. Look at us. We're looking so nice again. And I meet some wonderful people too. Got me. Then we ate some food. I take a lot of picture of places that I go. You have Empress. You know I have to put my name on everything, man. That's all the food we get to eat. I think all those food are from the hotel. We ate breakfast mostly in the hotel every morning. Some lunch, some nice food. You know, you guys know I like food. I try to read my book every chance I get. Drink again and do my chai seat every chance I get. That's a club we went to. And that day, it was my birthday. It's a birthday! Yes. I don't know what I was doing. Oh, I'm glad to look over there. More alcohol, you know. Take a walk while I was walking. I take a walk every chance I get to. Look at that fan. Look at that thing. This all is. Quand ça quitte l'ouvert, oui. Hey. Me dancing after my walk. Ma kontam da fe la. Shaking. Ma kontam shaking Abu Dham met him. Then we went out to a place. Ki get like I don't know pool. There was pool table. There's a thing. I didn't try that. I didn't go to and down. Man, I buy some. Then you know outside in the street. That's the university. I take a picture. Then Delhi, you write like Delhi DLY. You see? Then every time I find my flag, I'm taking a picture. We're literally walking Abwe. Yep. Look at that place. That's inside a store. Nice things that is the. I don't know what that is, but they were photo. Okay, you look good, girl. That's the club we went to. That's another club. Look at us. That's picture. Look at me. I sit by the pool. That's the only time. The first time I sit by the pool, and we never went to the pool. Never. Not one time. Not one time we went to the pool. Then we should play a game. And we trying with that pen. It's not working properly. It's supposed to be a battle, but me not do bad. Then I went to some doctor for my ass. Oh, that's even. It's different places. I went. You know, these people play out us. Again, we got dressed up to go, and we went to Miami again, the other club. That place have the best soup ever. Like, they have the best soup ever. And they give us a lot of avocado. It was so good, so good, so good, so good. And I had the fish one, avocado. And we went there like twice, I think. Haitian flag again. Look at us. Look at us. Look at us. Then went out to eat. The place was nice. Drank again. More drinking. We were drinking while the car was getting washed. You see how beautiful nature is? How beautiful. And we went to that place. It was so nice. You feel shopu too. More drinking. Guys know. And you get this in the water. Gummy. That chip was nasty. More picture. You know how to try. Look on it. From them. Girl. So, Bye, you Farah. Let's picture me again. Does you love to have fun? Went to a different hotel now. You're gonna see how different the view is. Then we were out. I had a mango. It was so sweet. You see the different the view. Then went to a place to eat. That's nice. The Chinese place. You see how beautiful that chair is, just like this. And we had some sushi. That's what we had for dinner. The food was so good, like Chinese. So good. So yummy. Drink was so good. Ooh, yummy. Look at the toilet, so nice. I'm walking. Some picture at the okay, I told you guys I went to different part. Like I was safe walking there. So, or drive. I like those pictures. I like me like taking picture of this colorful. I love color. I love color. God, you know, that's me taking picture at the beach about those boats. I didn't even realize that guy was saying hi until I was like watching that video, and he was winning for like 2 days, I think. Went like crazy. Look how dirty the water become. Pollution, too much biomethane. It's like the beginning was black and the back was still blue. Look at, oh my gosh, cause some car got stuck. Thank God we didn't get stuck. Thank God we didn't get stuck. Yo, it was crazy. Look at that guy pushing the car by himself when those people sitting in the car, like, what they doing? Thank God we made it. Look at après la pierre fin tomber. There was crab. Look at crab. Look at what they got there, la pêcher poisson. That is crazy, people. Drink, and we get a massage. Those people are blind. Yeah, by massage. They're amazing. To eat, that's Italian. We went to Italian place. The dessert was bomb. And look at the bathroom. I don't know if it come me weird, but I love the bathroom. I love nice thing. Like, look at so beautiful. With the market again, Delhi. It was Asian again. up my say from Benel, and we went for a walk. That's a walk. Mama Wana.
What power? That's the power. Where's the power? What's the power?
I didn't. It shocked me. More drink. I don't understand that, but okay.
You take down the case. Disgusting. They have every little shit you know that's not good for you.
No, that's still in the mall. Someplace careful. Okay, I just take those pictures because I like the painting in the wall. And I had some homemade food. I didn't eat that food, but... And the last day we went to a Haitian place. Look at the bathroom. I take a picture of the bathroom. I like how there was no men bathroom. Like the same bathroom is for men, the same bathroom is for women. Yeah. Like, I don't remember the last time I saw something like that. They always separate. Yeah. And I didn't even take a picture. That door you see in the back, there's somebody living room. That's their living room. When I opened the door, I didn't take a picture. I didn't want to take the picture of people's house. It feel weird. And their flag. That's the name of the... Had some prestige and some drink. Surprisingly, I didn't like the food. I was so disappointed. I didn't like the food. Nothing. The meat was... I smelled the meat. Anyway, that's the last thing. And
The old man?
look at we get to see. We met the Guess we met. I didn't take a picture with him. But my cousin.
They say like
Yes. So, uku kon kote mali kunya. Au revoir.